I'm going to show you how to hide a photo, where your hidden photo album is located, and best of all, how to hide your hidden photo album. That way, nobody will even know it's there. Grab your phone, click on Photos, and from here, if I hold down on a photo, scroll up a little bit, here are my options. I can click to hide a photo, and it says right here, the photo will be hidden, and you can find it in your hidden photo album. I'm going to show you where that's at, and then how to hide that album. So at the bottom, we're going to click on Albums here. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, I have my hidden photos right there. Hidden and deleted. They require Face ID or passcode to open. So we're going to scroll up to get out of here, and I'm going to show you how to hide your hidden albums. We're going to go into Settings, and I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Photos. Click on Photos, and then from here, scroll down, and you can see Show Hidden Album. We're going to turn that off. Now, if we scroll up to exit here, go back to Photos here, click on Albums at the bottom, and scroll all the way down. As you can see now, your hidden photos, they're still there, but no one will know that you have them. To access them, all you have to do is go back into Settings, go to Photos, and turn on the Show Hidden Album.